Felix, my first question would be that you've co-founded PackThat, which got acquired. You led design at GoTrade, which was backed by Y Combinator, and you've raised $30 million in 2 years. Did you plan these things? Like, how do you end up getting so many opportunities?
For sure, and not to mention, I haven't been to college, so I'm grateful first of all to start that off with. I grew up in a humble family where the idea of self-starting is very much ingrained in the way that me and my siblings were raised. And as part of that, I started my first startup when I was 19 years old and sold it during my final year, which was when I was 21, and then I daringly took off alone to Indonesia to stay there for about 9 months, and then I flew to US alone, stayed there for 3 months, just to really seek inspiration. Not for work, not for anything, just to really seek for inspiration in the world of technology. And before flying back here in Singapore, back in 2018 for my national service, which is the army. And I think I didn't, to your question, I didn't plan all of this. I think for me, it was always just been that that curious mentality to understand how the world works and how we can make it better. And just with just that hunger itself, I think it brings you to many different places, not just geographically, but really just meeting new people. And for me, the curiosity is really something that I think I'm grateful for, that has really set me apart from so many different people, and just continue to learn up to today.
You just saw a snippet from whiteboard.fm. You can watch the entire episode by clicking on the link in description. We have hundreds of clips on design case studies, hiring processes, and much more. This podcast is a part of the 10K Designers Network. Check out our website whiteboard.fm to learn more.